It is always a pleasure to be on campus, be with the faculty and the students and share some of the life and professional experiences here. And I know that there will be an opportunity this afternoon to meet with some of you later and maybe discuss some of the details. The reason I'm going to share the experience in Africa is to sort of provide a big picture of the kinds of issues that the technical and non-technical professionals have to face in any kind of a forward progress and development. And Africa provides a very good example. These are generational problems that require generational solutions. And with patience, we have to approach this. And we have to think about it today.